Hey, long time no see. I'm back, and it's story time. So grab a drink and sit back. Ever since I was a kid, I remember my father talking about his Alfa Romeo 7050 GTV. He said it was fast, very fast. And of course, it was red, or better, Alfa Rosso. I remember a story when he was speeding down the highway. He was overtaken by the highway police in a Porsche 911. They didn't pull him over. They just passed and signaled for him to take it a little slower. That's the kind of car the Alfa was. Not just fast, but full of character. That even the cops could appreciate back then. As you all probably know, it's designed by Bertone. Built for racing and made to stir emotions. And now, decades later, I'm bringing one back to life. Rusted panels, twisted metal, every part of the story waiting to be retold. As you all probably can imagine, I cannot wait to share the finished product with my dad. The GTV wasn't just a pretty face either, it had a racing soul. Back in the day, these Alfas fought their way through European racetracks, taking on Porsches, Fords and BMWs. Often punching way above their weight. They weren't the fastest on paper, but when the flag dropped, they had something numbers could never measure. Soul. And every time I look at my GTV, under the layers of dust and rust, I can still see that racing spirit hiding beneath the surface. But this car is far from raceable. So let's get back at work and polish this turd.